So when you drain and refill your hot tub, you got to make sure that your water's softened before starting the salt system. You can do that two ways. One, you can hire us to come with our portable water softener system and do a drain and fill for you. Just give us a call if you're interested in that. Or you can also use the Vanishing Act pillows by HotSpring. They will soften the water. If you do a test and your hardness is above 150 parts per million, you'd want to use the extra large Vanishing Act. And if you are above 75 parts per million but below 150, you'll want to use just a regular Vanishing Act. Take the Vanishing Act out of the packaging and rinse through with a hose until the water runs clear. Once it's clear, you can then put the Vanishing Act in the hot tub. When you place it in the tub, it may start to discolor, but that is normal and not to be of concern. Place the Vanishing Act on the High Life series right over the floor drain where the water is coming out hot. On the Limelight series, you'll want to place this Vanishing Act near one of the floor sections and activate the Vanishing Act button on the top side. For the normal Vanishing Act, it will be in the hot tub for 24 hours and rotated once at 12-hour mark. For the XL, you will be putting it in the hot tub for 72 hours and rotating it every 12 hours. Once you've finished that process with the Vanishing Act, you'll want to again test with your test strips to determine where your calcium level is at and targeting it to be in that 50 parts per million range. And if you're satisfied, then you can proceed to starting your salt water. If not, you can repeat the process again to get the hardness even lower. We also offer a service where we soften the water for you. Feel free to give us a call if you have any questions on that. Thanks for listening and good luck with your new fresh salt water experience.